Hey yo, what it do YouTube? It's your boy Wiz back again with another video, and in this video, I'm gonna be going over the best chest exercises for man boobs. So a wise man once told me the best way to make your stomach look smaller is to make your chest look bigger. And like I said, in this video, I'm gonna be going over ways which you can pretty much get those man boobs in the shape, you know, go from saggy man boobs to a nice, firm, tight, muscular chest, cut up chest, you know, depending on how your diet is. So like I said, I'm gonna be outlining four chest exercises, which I do to get my chest in the shape. Now, number one on our list is going to be, no secret here, the flat barbell bench press. This is going to be one of the best, easiest movements that you can do for chest development. And like I said, it's going to work your overall chest. It's going to work your mid chest, your upper chest, your lower chest, and just all aspects of the chest. The reason why I like doing the barbell on the flat bench is because our second movement, which we're going to be getting into, is actually going to be done with dumbbells. So like I said, for this movement, the barbell bench press, it's going to be the best overall movement to start with. So if you're starting, you know, your chest day or a chest workout or a push workout, I always start my workouts with compound movements, and the barbell bench press is going to be one of the best. Now, the second movement on our list, like I said, this one is going to be done with dumbbells. It's going to be the incline dumbbell press. And the reason why I slightly like the dumbbells better than the barbell is because with the barbell, you can only go but so low down to the chest, right? With the dumbbells, you can actually go past the chest and you have just a wider range of motion. Add that with, you know, focusing on the top of the chest and really getting that press. You know, with the first movement, the flat press, we're working our entire chest. With this movement, we're kind of just trying to isolate the top of that chest. We got the bench at an incline, and we're just really focusing on pushing, squeezing, really hammering down the top of those pecs. So like I said, second movement, and personally, my favorite is going to be the incline dumbbell press. Now, the third movement, which I like to do, which I understand this may not be something that everybody can do, so there are a few alternatives, is going to be a wide grip dip. Now, this movement here is going to be for our lower chest. Now, you might ask, why not just do a decline bench press? To be honest with you, I've always found the decline bench press to be just a little bit awkward with the wide grip dip. You know, with a traditional dip, your arms are a little bit more narrow and you can really feel, you know, the movement in your tricep. But when you go wider, you allow yourself to go down, and when you push up, you're going to feel it right here in the lower kind of outside portion of the chest. And when you push up, like I said, this is going to give you one of the greatest pumps, and it's going to be one of the best ways to develop your lower chest. And like I said, if you can't just do an outright dip, you can always get on an assisted dip machine. Sometimes they have those machines where you're actually seated, and you can make sure you always have the handles out as wide as possible. Or if you don't have any type of machine like that, you could use a cable and do like do it single arm, where you have the handle on the cable and you're pushing down like that. But like I said, those are going to be just different variations and the best way to develop the lower chest, other than a decline bench press or a decline hammer strength machine. Now, so far, we done worked our overall chest. We've worked our upper chest and we've worked our outer and lower chest. Now it's time to get that inner chest. And what we want to do here is get on the pec deck machine. I like to do this machine as a finisher, sometimes as a starter, just to kind of, you know, get the chest muscles working. But as you see, like I'm doing, you want to just focus on squeezing that chest together. You want to make sure that you have, if you're on a pec deck machine, have it set up the correct way. And you want to really focus on squeezing that chest together. You'll kind of really feel this in your overall chest as well, but this is really a good way to hammer down and really get those cuts in the middle of your chest. And if you're doing this with, like, say, cables, you can do a thing where you kind of go past the midpoint and have your arms like crisscross, where you're really going to be working the middle of that chest. And I guarantee you, try that, come back to this video and comment. With them cables, you're really going to feel that. So those are my top 4 workouts for how to get them man boobs into shape. Let me know what you think about my list. Go ahead and comment below. Is there an exercise that I forgot? Is there something that you like to do? Give me some ideas. Let's feed off each other. I would really appreciate that. If you did enjoy this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. That'd be cool. Subscribe to my channel for more fitness tips, vlogs, tutorials. And until my next video, I'm gonna catch you guys later on. Peace out, baby.